Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix large DWG files running slow and reduce file size using the easy method. This is a great way to drop the extra weight from your drawing files on your cleanup session so your computer stops freezing up while you work. Step 1. Use the purge command to throw away hidden garbage. The first step is to open your slow drawing file and run a basic cleaning command that searches the background memory to wipe out any blocks or layers you aren't using. Open your heavy drawing page, move your pointer down to the typing space at the bottom of your screen, type the word purge, press the enter key, and click the button that says purge all on the window that pops up. Keep clicking the purge confirmation button until the option turns gray and you cannot click it anymore. You have to run this basic cleaning sweep so the software permanently drops those unused blocks and blank layers out of your system memory. Without this step, your file will stay massive and heavy even if you manually erase things with your mouse. Step 2. Run the overkill tool to delete double lines. Next, you need to use a special combining tool that looks across your workspace to find lines that are accidentally sitting directly on top of each other and merge them into single pieces. Type the word overkill into your bottom command bar, hit the enter key on your keyboard, highlight your entire drawing layout with your mouse pointer, and click the OK button on the settings box. Leave the default checkmarks as they are so the software knows how to safely combine overlapping paths without altering your shapes. By running this cleanup tool, you tell the computer to delete those useless extra lines that are wearing down your computer's brain power. It ensures your machine only has to draw one line instead of tracking 3 or 4 hidden in the exact same spot. Step 3. Clear out hidden regapps text lines. Now you need to clear out a secret list of old data strings that build up when you share your files with other people or copy items from outside projects. Move back to your bottom text box, type the word purge again, but add a dash symbol in front of it so it looks like dash purge. Press enter, type the letter R for regapps, and hit enter again. Press enter one more time when the program asks if you want to verify each name, and wait for the system to scrub the hidden text lines. By forcing the software to dump these hidden tracking lines, you remove the invisible bloat that causes massive lag when you zoom in and out. It is the key step to getting the right output because it lifts a huge burden off your computer screen. Step 4. Save your file as a brand new clean copy. The final step is to save your clean workspace into a fresh new file name to let the computer rebuild the data structure cleanly from scratch. Click the main menu button in the top left corner, select the Save As option, type a brand new name for your drawing sheet, and hit the Save button. Pick a safe folder like your desktop and make sure the file type says Drawing Format and close the old slow file completely. Once you save a completely fresh copy, the software writes a tight, organized version of your work onto your hard drive, resulting in a much smaller file size. Now your file reduction setup is completely finished and your tools will move instantly. And that's it. To fix large DWG files running slow, you must first type purge and select purge all to dump hidden trash. Then you use the overkill tool to merge duplicate lines that are stacked on top of each other. Next, you type dash purge and select regapps to clear out secret background text blocks. Finally, you use save as to create a clean new copy of your file to lock in the small size. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.